the LawnMaster 16-inch reel mower. Sounds like metal. Check in the text below and also in the pinned comment. I will provide a link for you to purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. Heavy part. Instructions. Styrofoam. More styrofoam. Cardboard. Oh boy, little screws. Oh. I have the mower assembled according to the parts. The upper handle there is that, and it's facing up like they show. The twist knob, those will all go in here to connect it. They are there. The middle handle is actually two pieces that are slanted. Make sure you get the one that slants out this way for that side and slants out that way for that side. The lower handle is also actually two pieces that will overlap and connect here. Those middle handles will connect on the sides of the lower handles, and then the bottom of the lower handle will connect to the mower. The rear roller is here. Those are the blades. I'm not going to touch them. The height adjustment knob is here. This is the highest height. You can move it around, and that's going to be the lowest height, but you have to do it on both sides. I'm going to keep it on the highest because I don't like really short grass. So it's already set where I want it to be. The wheel, there's one here. There's one on the other side. And the mower cover. One reason I bought the LawnMaster is because this one does have a cover. The other versions I was looking at, the blades were just exposed and they didn't seem safe to me. So this one has the blades. You can see them on the bottom and the front, but the top part's covered, and then the rear is exposed so that you can see what's going on. Screws and I don't get along, so I'm hoping that these little twisty wing things are going to be a happy place for me. Assembling, secure the upper handle to the middle handle with the two bolts and two twist knobs. So this is one of the middle ones, and it's going to slide up in here. And you've got to line up the hole so that you can get the bolt in there. I don't know if the bolt goes on top or bottom. Guess we will. Very long. And slide it through the hole here. Now that seems too easy. It says not to tighten them too tight until you make sure that you have everything assembled correctly. I'm going to put the other one on here. You can see that it's a skinnier. It's going to slide up in here. Do the same as we did the other one. Are you? There you are. Drop it in. And have to do it on this side. All right. Next, we put the right lower handle with the left lower handle secure. Looks like we did the middle. So we do the middle one first. I think we do this part first. The instructions are actually showing, look a little closer, they're actually showing to put the bolt, the twisty thing on top, but I've already started it that way, so I'm going to continue to do it that way. Also, I'm doing the flat part on the top. These do not want to go in as joyfully as the other ones did. Let me turn this one over so you can see what I'm doing. It's easier to spin them that way. You just have to hold the finger over the bolt. Get back up in there. Okay, I'm not going to tighten it too much. Now we're going to put all this onto the bottom part. All that onto the bottom part. So we're going to put the side through here, line up the holes. Come on. You have to be right. Here we are. Do the other side. Oops, that was stupid. Now that was easy. Now we're going to put the handle on here. Putting the handle on, it says align holes at the lower end of each handle arm. There. With the post extending from the mower frame side plates. Which has to be that. This seems like it's going to be tricky. Okay, well, that just was the easiest thing I've ever assembled in my life. Let's see if it works. We're going to see if this thing works. I have some good grass here that's not growing up too tall. It says not to use it on tall grass. See, it won't clog up on that tall grass there. Keep going. This grass is really thick. Well, also my grass hasn't been cut this year. Well, I gotta go and push the sled if you can push one of these. Now I'm going to get those saws. Not with this. Well, you can see, or I hope you can see, that it does work. My ground is not level. This part of the grass is really thick. I haven't cut the grass yet this entire year, but you can see that it works. If you got a small area or just need to trim up a very small patch and want something eco-friendly and don't mind getting some cardio in, this could be your new best friend. I really kind of bought it because I have these occasional tall patches of grass that grow a lot faster than normal grass. I thought I could just kind of like keep those down and not have to mow so often. We'll see if that works. One-handed is hard. I've been mowing a little bit more and it does not like the tall grass. A lot of breath. Just like my Nito D7, it likes to get those tall pieces like hair lined up around here. And once it does that, it clogs up the wheels. They're not going anywhere. So I wasn't keen on sticking my hands in there. So I tried doing it like that. Let's see if I could clear some of it out, and that works a little bit. But it doesn't really clear up the wheels. So I'm going to have to find a safe alternative like a poking stick or something to clean these wheels up. This pushes the tall ones back. Just doesn't like those tall ones. I kind of let the grass dry up. I haven't really found a good way to get what tangles up on the side because it does stop the mower. Don't really want to get my hands too close to those blades. So I'm using a pair of long needle nose pliers. When they tell you that it's not meant to be on tall grass, they're not kidding. Because it will tangle up like that. Like I said, just like long hair on my Udo D7. Be careful because that edge is really sharp right there. Gunked up there as well. Should be good to go.